Want to quickly highlight text or entire paragraphs in a PDF preview on your MacBook Neo? Here's the easiest way to do it. First, make sure the PDF file is downloaded to your MacBook Neo. You won't be able to highlight text properly if you're viewing it directly from a browser or online source. Now, open the PDF file preview. Let's zoom it in a bit for a better viewing. At the top, look for the pen icon. Click on the small downward arrow next to it. Choose your preferred highlight color. Now, simply click and drag over the text or paragraph you want to highlight. It will instantly be highlighted. You can also reverse the gesture, and it will undo the highlighted area. You can repeat the same steps to highlight different sections using different colors, perfect for organizing notes or marking important parts. Finally, go to the top menu bar. Click on File and then select Save to keep your changes. And that's it. Stay with Fix 369 for more quick tips. Thanks for your time.